Okay guys, just a quick update with Bitcoin. So if you watched the last video, I told you I was in a long from down here at 39,200 up to 41,500. I'm already out of my trade now. So I'm going to give you some price targets to pay attention to, show you how I'm going to play this. And by the way guys, if you like this content, make sure you hit the like button. I'd appreciate it. And if you want to be notified of future videos, make sure you subscribe and click the notification bell. So the last video I put up, guys, I'll put a link up to it now. Listen to what I said. And again, back here is where I told you guys to buy at 34,000, this blue ring. So that was the first point I told you to buy at 34,000. I told you when we pushed up, way in advance, as soon as you hit this line, it's too short. So you could have shorted 48,365. You had multiple points to get in your short. The next point you had before this major drop was 46,540. I told you when we drop, the next point you want to potentially longer get in is down here at 39,200. That's where I got in. I can tell you right off the bat, your next resistance is too wide. So this is a ring actually. We are expecting this ring going back all the way to 13th of March, 2021. So this ring is going to be a lot of resistance. There's another chart that's in accordance with that. I'll show you this as well. So watch. So I was saying 41,500 is likely going to get rejected. So the way I'm going to play this, I'm out of my trade currently. So this could roll over, come back down. I'm going to give you support levels to re-enter. So it is possible if we push up above this point and hold support, then my take profit would be up here. And I did cover that yesterday, but I will give you these targets again. Guys, remember, I will be releasing my copy trade name either today or tomorrow. I wait for my contact at Bitget to get back to me to give you that name. But again, guys, I use Bitget because they are... they're legal to use in the US, Canada, and Australia. You do not need to use a VPN to mask your IP address. You can use up to 125 times leverage. I don't suggest going over 40 or 50. And again, I will be releasing my copy trade name soon. I don't know what this is here, but I'll be releasing my copy trade name soon, so you can copy trade me. You'll be able to just click on search, and you'll be able to find me. So that will be released on Twitter, in Discord or on Twitter very soon as he gets back to me. And guys, remember you can access all of these live charts on my website. The link will be pinned in the first comment description, and if you use my Bitget affiliate link, that's also pinned in the first comment description as well. So let's get on to this, guys, and give you some price targets to pay attention to. So look, if we do come down, all right, if we're getting rejected currently, I have a lot of charts on 41,500 is a lot of resistance. You see, we're already coming down from this point. If we do come down, just like these three candles here, 39,226, 39,379, and right here had another candle open at 39,564. So if we come down, your next 0.2 chance along is going to be down here around 39,672, and this keeps moving up. Remember what I said though, guys, if this blue ring breaks, I expect us to start capitulating. If we do push above 41,000, let's just say 41,500-ish, and hold support, then I will re-enter. I will jump in along up to potentially 44,000. I believe that is the top. We're not going higher than that point. That will be the last point to put in a short before this whole thing just comes crashing down. And again, this is a downward angle, but I do believe this is the top. So if it's out here, it's 43,713. Let's go on, guys. So this is what I'm just talking about, these different charts. Notice you have resistance right here. You have this support level right here, this trend line. This is a C1 chart. You can see this has been support, so that would be resistance. So you got a ring here as well. That's right at 41,610. It might already be too late to enter your short. I'm just telling you, if we do push back up, that would be an ideal point to short. Your next support level on this chart to pay attention to is right down here at 40,718. Maybe that's a point to re-enter. Your next support level below, keep in mind these are at an angle. This would be 39,833. And then you can see that we did find support down here. This is a point that needs to hold, 39,554. Let's go on, guys. So this white line right here is the same line on the M1 chart, this line right here. So just to show you that target, if we do push up again, that target is, again, that's why I might take profit. If we get above and hold support above 41,500, 41,600, I think it's very possible we're headed to 44,000. And again, this is an angle, depends when you make contact. But again, I do believe this will be the top. Okay, so when you hit this point, that's where I'm going on a heavy short. This is the C1BG chart. You can see we had double resistance above at 41,540. So it's possible we might not come back up to test that, but if we do, that would be an ideal point to short. Again, 41,500 to 41,600. This is the H1 chart. I made a tweet about this and posted in Discord. We hit this to the tick and started coming down. So your next support level to watch is right here at 40,789. Then your next support level is 40,227. And then your next support level below is 39,941. Again, if we break below these points, I expect us to capitulate. And I do have our resistance levels above, but again, if we hold above 41,500, I think it's likely we're probably headed to 44,000. Guys, pay attention to the U.S. markets, the indices. You can see this looks like this is a falling wedge right here. It is possible we might have some upside. Remember, if the indices are up, Bitcoin's up. Indices down, Bitcoin down. So your next major resistance on the Dow is around 34,685. We get above that. I think the top for the Dow is 35,231. That is in confluence with this chart as well. Notice we've been moving right up this trend line right here. We found support right on it at 34,125. So if we push up, I'm saying this might be what triggers us to go to 44,000 with Bitcoin. But I do think it's very possible what's going to happen. If we do push up, we'll get rejected. We'll break this point and come down and test this ring right here. So I do believe we possibly have a little bit of upside for the Dow, but I believe we have a lot more downside. So again, if the Dow, the S&P, and Nasdaq push up, we could test 44,000 with Bitcoin. But I do believe that 35,164 is top for the Dow, and 44,000 would be the top for Bitcoin. But again, we still got to find out if we get above 41,522. And currently the Dow is up 187 points. The markets are they're in the green right now, so we'll have to pay attention to what happens before markets close. But guys, if you want to access these charts, the website is awkwardcrypto.com. Link be pinned in the first comment and description. If you use my big affiliate link, that's also pinned in the first comment description as well. That's it, guys. I'm out. Trade safe, trade smart.